So here's another example in which we are expected to find the value of x, and on our right hand side here we have got the cube root of 1. When simplified, it is still going to be 1. And then on the left hand side, I would prefer to get rid of the square root, so we're gonna square both sides. So this is going to get rid of this square root, and 1 to the power of 2 is just going to remain as 1. So in the next step, we're going to have 4x minus 4 all divided by x squared is equal to 1. 4x and 4 are not like terms, so I cannot subtract 4 from 4x. And that means that we have to do the cross multiplication. And as we know, 1 or any number is over 1. It's just that we don't write 1 because any number divided by 1 is that number. So 4x is going to multiply with 1, and then x squared is still going to multiply with 1. So in the end, we are going to have x squared is equal to 4x minus 4. Or you could have written 4x minus 4 on the left hand side and x squared on the right hand side is the same thing. So in the next step, we are going to take this expression 4x minus 4 to the left hand side of the equal sign. So we are going to have x squared minus 4x because it was positive here, and then this one was negative, so it has to be positive, so it's going to be plus 4. And then on the right hand side, we are going to be left with nothing, so this is going to be equal to 0. And then the next step is going to be factorization. So we know that the factors of x squared is just x and x, and then we are looking for two numbers of which when we multiply them they are going to give us 4, and when we add them they are going to give us 4. So the multiples of 4, the options that we have got 4 multiplied by 1 and 2 multiplied by 2. And then 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, this one. And then 4 minus 1 is 3, which is not this one. And then 4 plus 1 is 5, which is not this one. So we're going to try this one. So 2 plus 2 is going to give us 4, but a positive 4. So this has to be negative, this has to be negative. So negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 is going to give us positive 4. Negative 2 minus 2 is going to give us minus 4, which is this one. So we know that the factors that we're looking for is negative 2 and negative 2, and this will be equal to 0. And then we are going to create an equal sign here. So this expression is the same as x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. And then we're going to take this number to the right hand side of the equal sign. So our x is going to be, here it's negative, so it is going to be positive 2, or x, we do the same here. We take this number to the right hand side of the equal sign, so it changes the sign and becomes a positive 2. So x is equal to 2, or x is equal to 2. So basically x is equal to 2 is our final answer. Thanks for watching.